लक्ष्मीनाथसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरीमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों का मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ। I welcome everyone with my love and respects. I welcome all the television viewers, devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Sadhana TV and Lotus News channel. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Today, Mahadeva is gracing us. Sodanai Madavil Virthiyalilai means there was a king in Madurai, Sundaresha Padasekara Pandiyan. From this king, the tradition of wearing Sundareshwara's Paduka itself as a crown started. Till the last Madurai king, they were wearing Sundareshwara's Padukas as a crown. And this Pandya did not have a huge military. His military was little small, so the Chola invaded and tried to take over the Pandya kingdom. So this Pandya goes and falls at the feet of Sundareshwara. So, for Madurai, he is like a yellow page, 911 and everything. They rush to him and immediately he appears in the form of a hunter. And when the king was crossing a lake, say outside Madurai there is a huge lake. When the king was the Chola king was crossing the lake, he appears there as a hunter and pushes him into the lake and he dies. The Chola king dies. Chola knows that king, he knows all the art other than swimming. Somehow he did not learn swimming, but it's a state secret. Nobody knows. King without knowing the swimming is impossible. Nobody knows. Only naturally Mahadeva knows. He goes and attacks him in the right spot and the Chola king dies and the army surrenders to Pandya. So even for the war, he came down and helped. It means he was continuously available to run the whole Pandya kingdom. And he was continuously ruling the whole Pandya kingdom. So today Mahadeva is in the form of a hunter to attack the Chola king. I'll enter into today's Nitya Satsang. I'll continue on completion and how the completion leads to stability. Only with the deep completion, listen, only with the deep completion, you even become one being. Without completion, you can't even be one being. Please listen. Please come to the space of listening. Listen. Many times, even you do not know what you want to achieve in the life. You do not know what is the purpose of life. How many of you cognize you are in that state? Raise your hand. It is just because of incompletions. See, it's like each part of your incompletion claims, I am you. For example, if your name is Sundaram, each part of the broken you claims, I am Sundaram, I am Sundaram, I am Sundaram. And who screams loudly you think he is Sundaram. Each broken part goes on claiming, I am you, I am you, I am you. And one of the worst thing is, one part of you spends so much of energy to disprove the other part is not you. So finally, whoever wins, whoever loses, who is the loser? You. One part of you winning is not you winning. Even if one part of you wins, you are the loser. Unless your whole wins, you are a loser. Listen. Listen. केवल गहरी पूर्णत्व के साथ ही आप एक संपूर्ण व्यक्तित्व भी बनते हैं। कई बार आप अपने जीवन का उद्देश्य को नहीं जानते हैं। Understand, each part of you screaming that part is you finally lands you in such deep confusion. Such deep confusion. Unless you heal yourself and bring yourself to completion, unless you bring yourself together, align you as one being, life doesn't start for you. Please listen. Nirahara Samyama. All great spiritual practices, spiritual process, everything, all great spiritual practices and all great spiritual processes, everything, the purpose is for you to become one, for you to become complete, integrated. आपके भीतर के अनेकों भाग हैं जिनके बीच लगातार संघर्ष होते रहते हैं। हर भाग कहता है कि वो ही आप है। जब तक आप अपने सभी भागों को संरेखित कर एक व्यक्तित्व नहीं बनते हैं, आपका जीवन आरंभ ही नहीं होता है। सभी आध्यात्मिक अभ्यास और प्रक्रियाएं का उद्देश्य केवल एक ही है कि आप एक हो जाए, पूर्ण हो जाए, संपूर्ति में आए। The whole country, the whole civilization, the whole spiritual tradition is suffering just because of not having completion with one another. We do not have completion with one another. That is the most unfortunate thing. Neither we have completion with ourselves, nor we have completion with one another. The broken parts of us goes on abusing one another. In those days, fortunately, in Gurukul itself, the science of completion is taught. Kids grow as a complete being. But there is one unfortunate thing. We put all the eggs in one basket. Means all the best things we put it in one thing, that is Gurukul. So when the enemies attacked the Gurukul, and when the enemies destroyed the Gurukul system, the whole thing got destroyed. The whole thing disappeared. In a way, the good thing is in the Gurukul system itself, all the right lifestyle is given. One bad thing is, when that system got attacked and destroyed, the whole thing got destroyed. हम ना ही स्वयं के साथ पूर्णत्व स्थिति में रहते हैं और ना ही अन्य लोगों के साथ पूर्णत्व स्थिति में रहते हैं. The one and only way we can revive bring the signs of completion to everyone. Let the signs of completion be brought to the mass. Understand? Whether he is a construction worker working for daily wages, or the IT engineer, or the lawyers, doctors, whatever may be, when you bring completion, so much happens to your system. To tell you honestly, I can't even explain all the benefits completion can bring to you. When you complete continuously, one more thing, completion is not one-time process. It should be taken as a continuous lifestyle. It should be taken as a continuous lifestyle. Vedic civilization is established on completion. Understand? Vedic civilization is established on completion. Even with death, and people who are dead, we go on completing. Shraddha is nothing but completing with the people who are dead, diseased. पूर्णत्व का विज्ञान हर व्यक्ति बहुचाना अनिवार्य है, तभी हम अपने देश, अपनी संस्कृति को बचा सकते हैं. पूर्णत्व एक जीवन शैली बननी चाहिए. वैदिक संप्रदाय पूर्णत्व पर स्थापित है. Every step in our life we go on complete. That is why we do Maheshwara Puja, to complete with all the departed souls. Maheshwara Puja was done in the Vedic civilization, where enlightened masters and incarnations complete with the departed souls. In Vedic tradition, everything is dependent on completion. Everything is based at completion. Understand? Only if you start living completion, you will understand the quality of life. I tell you, when there is an incompletion, your life is stolen away from you. When the completion happens in you, you regain your life. Let me define completion. Completion is removing the delusion of incompletion, which makes you cognize the other is separate from you. The delusive cognizance, the delusive cognition, understand? Incompletion has no existence. It is only a delusive cognition. Incompletion is the delusive cognition that stands between you and the whole. Complete with everything. I am spending a little more time now in astrobiology and studying. And the more I study the astrobiology, more I am convinced life is not restricted to inanimate forms. Life is happening in everything. Maybe in a frequency where it is not realized, recognized by you. But everything as life. Learn to complete. Complete with everything. I tell you, completion, state of completion is the best way to prepare yourself for life, and completion is the best way to prepare for death, for anything, just the completion. I tell you, with the process of completion, you can cure as simple as your headache. You can achieve relief from the headache. Even this simple thing can be done through completion. Please understand, I am talking with responsibility that I am on national channel now and international channel. Please listen. Come to the space of listening. Completion can help you to achieve extraordinary mystical powers. I am not promoting any superstitiousness. I am not promoting any superstition. When you complete with everything, with animate, inanimate, with everything, you will experience the space of non-duality, Advaita, the space of oneness. पूर्णत्व क्या है? पूर्णत्व माया रूपी अपूर्णता को निकालना है, जो आपको ये अनुभूति देता है कि आपसे अलग कोई दूसरा व्यक्ति या वस्तु उपस्थित है, केवल जब आप पूर्णत्व की स्थिति में जीना आरंभ करते हैं, आप जीवन अनुभव करेंगे। जब आप सबके साथ पूर्णत्व करते हैं, आप अद्वैत स्थिति का अनुभव करेंगे। अपूर्णत्व वह मायावी स्थिति है जो आपके और ब्रह्मांड के बीच में दीवार बन के खड़ी है। केवल पूर्णत्व स्थिति से ही आप जीवन और मृत्यु के लिए तैयार हो सकते हैं। If you want to live, start with completion. If you want to celebrate, start with completion. See, relationships are nothing but your own extensions. Relationships are not outside, they are just your own extensions. The you extended outside you is your relationships. Completing with all your extensions, you will learn to complete the incomplete you present in the other. Completion, completing with every relationship you have in the life. Please understand. Completion does not mean only completing with your wife, husband, friend, family. Everything which is in your life, the trees, pets, furnitures you use. You think, furnitures I use, they're all dead, how can I complete with them? See, complete and see. Then you will understand how you feel about them and they feel about you. With a tree or a plant or an animal, with everything you can complete. When you experience being one with that, completion with the tree, animal, plant, everything happens. First of all, you need to complete with your own doubts about you. Because you have incompletion with you, you constantly doubt you. See, even when you declare, all right, I declare completion with you, I will not allow any more incompletions with you. You doubt you. No. Tomorrow itself I will create incompletion with them. I will. Even while you utter the word, already you are surrounded by doubts. You are attacked by doubts. You are hit by doubts. So you have to sit with yourself and continuously complete. Your doubt is nothing but you taking revenge on you for not being in integrity. When you again and again break your integrity, you start doubting you. It is nothing but you attacking you with anger. You attacking you with anger is self-doubt. See, when you declare, no, I will be in integrity, I will be in completion, I will be in completion with my wife, with my son, with my daughter, with my family. Immediately your being starts, no, you are not going to be. Today you will tell, tomorrow itself you are going to go on, shout, fight and create incompletions. So first, you need to again and again declare completion with you. The earlier failures does not mean failure is your pattern. Failure may be your action, not pattern. Fortunately, anything negative only stays as an action in you, never becomes pattern in you. जब आप बार बार संपूर्ति में नहीं रहते हैं, आप अपने ऊपर विश्वास को देते हैं। जब आप अपने ऊपर विश्वास को देते हैं, आप अपने साथ पूर्णत्व स्थिति में नहीं रह सकते हैं। पहले आपको स्वयं की शंकाओं के साथ पूर्णत्व करनी चाहिए। इसीलिए पहले आपको स्वयं के साथ पूर्णत्व करनी चाहिए। When you complete with you more and more, deeper and deeper, you will see the things which you can never imagine becomes possible by you and by the people around you. Go on completing, go on completing. Take completion as your lifestyle, breathing. Every night, spend at least half an hour to 1 hour for completion. Because completion brings stability. Completion brings intelligence. Completion brings knowledge. Completion brings life. Completion brings so much of clear space in your brain, you can remember right things. Completion brings so much of completion in your brain, you will forget all the wrong things. All the negative things will not have power over you. So completion makes you forget the wrong things and remember the right things. Completion is life, life is completion. Completion is life and life is completion. Completion is basic need of life. As I said, with anything you carry fear, complete with it. पूर्णत्व आपसे गलत चीज़ों को बुलाता है। आपकी स्मरण शक्ति में केवल सही चीज़ें ही रहती है। पूर्णत्व ही जीवन है, जीवन पूर्णत्व ही है। Completion, completion, completion. In the inner awakening, continuously, the various understandings about the completion is given to you, and the space for completion is created. The possibility for completion is created. The group is listening for completion, and above all, the cosmos is listening to your completion. And when cosmos listens to your completion, you are complete. Yesterday was such powerful initiation of unclutching. I can say, every time I feel this, yesterday's was one of the best initiations I have given. I know I feel every time it's the best initiation, but every time when I complete the next initiation, it feels, oh, this is best. This is the initiation. Yesterday, like a whole day was more than initiation, initiation celebration. When you are initiated, see, sometimes people ask, what is the difference between listening to you and initiation? While you listen, the menu card is given to you. While initiation is given, food is served to you. There's a big difference between you getting the menu card to your table and food to your table. You can't eat menu card if you are in the human body. In initiation, food is served to you. I can say, in a way, it is put inside your mouth. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share, and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.